Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about troubleshooting air leaks. There's a couple different ways to diagnose air leaks. One is just listening to the fittings. The other way to tell is if your compressor continually runs. So when you have everything hooked up, your compressor will run, and then if you don't use the tool, it's going to continually run. It's going to discharge air and then run and fill back up, and then discharge air, run and fill back up while you're not using the tool. This is a good indication that there is an air leak somewhere. I have found that the air is leaking on my fitting going into my tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the hose. Next, I'm going to use an adjustable wrench and remove that fitting that the air is leaking from. After that, I'm going to add some Teflon tape around the fitting. This is going to help seal it when I screw it back in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in and tighten it down using my adjustable wrench. After that, I'm going to reconnect my air hose and see if it's still leaking.